faces rising after us. Eyes wide open, hearts were called to trust. What will they inherit from the world we leave behind? Lord, we're on our knees, asking you to guide. We've stumbled, we've fallen, we've carried heavy scars, but let them be the children who reach higher than we are. For our sons and daughters, let them walk in truth. Let them build your kingdom, let them shine for you. Give them stronger courage, give them deeper faith. Let them rise above us, Lord, and walk in grace. This is our prayer, this is our honor. Bless the future in our sons and daughters, yeah. We chased after shadows, we've wasted so much time, but let them see your vision clearer than our eyes. Give them wisdom early, let them stand and lead, with hands that serve the broken, with hearts that meet the need. We've struggled, we wander, but still you call us near. Let the generation live without the chains of fear. For our sons and daughters, let them walk in truth. Let them build your kingdom, let them shine for you. Give them stronger courage, give them deeper faith. Let them rise above us, Lord, and walk in grace. This is our prayer, this is our honor. Bless the future in our sons and daughters, yeah. May they dream what we could not, stand where we have failed, run the race with steady hearts, carried by your nail-scarred hands. For our sons and daughters, let them walk in truth. Let them build your kingdom, let them shine for you. Give them stronger courage, give them deeper faith. Let them rise above us, Lord, and walk in grace. This is our prayer, this is our honor. Bless the future in our sons and daughters, yeah. Lord, bless the future in our sons and daughters.